Hey guys, it's Crypto She does it all, a little bit of everything. I am going to give you the latest on the SEC versus Ripple case. It says SEC can appeal summary judgment on XRP and Ripple case court rules. And the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) can file an interlocutory appeal in its case against Ripple Labs, opening the door to the possibility that the recent ruling that XRP is not a security could eventually be overturned. On Thursday afternoon, federal judge Analisa Torres granted the request from the SEC after the securities regulator sent a letter to Torres on August 9th, arguing that her July decision that XRP is not a security per SEC could affect multiple pending court cases. An interlocutory appeal happens when a ruling by a trial court is appealed while other aspects of the case are still ongoing. The SEC request referenced the recent decision in its case against Terraform Labs, in which the presiding over denying Terraform's request for dismissal that cited Torres' XRP decision, saying he did not agree with the ruling that XRP is not a security. Today's decision means the SEC has until tomorrow to submit its motion to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the second circuit. Ripple then has until September 1st to file its response to the motion, which the SEC can respond to by September 8th. If the SEC wins its motion, the regulator can then file the full appeal of the court ruling. It's just like a story that keep on giving. It will never stop. They are having fun, torturing, prolonging, taking it to the next level things. It's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Today's ruling came less than a day after Ripple Labs submitted a letter expressing the opposition to any potential appeal in the case. Ripple's lawyers argued that an interlocutory appeal requires a pure question of law that the reviewing court could decide quickly and cleanly without having to study the record, which they said was absent, that the SEC cannot show a substantial ground for difference of opinion and must do more than just claim that the court's ruling was wrong, and that interlocutory appeals is unwarranted where reversal would not terminate the litigation. Ripple's general counsel Roti said in an interview with Real Vision shortly after today's ruling that the company remains confident they will win regardless. I'm glad he has that kind of attitude, because it's just crazy. They keep on going with it over and over. We are not afraid of an appeal. We think we would win an appeal, but let's get there on an ordinary course. He said, let's stop bending the rules to accommodate the SEC's strategy of regulation by enforcement. On August 9, Torres submitted file detailing plan to move forward to a jury trial for the remaining charges against Ripple, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and co-founder Chris Larsen. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) lawsuit against Ripple's Labs is set to advance to a jury trial in the second quarter of 2024. Jesus Christ, they taking this to the next level. On July 13, Judge Torres issued a summary judgment on several aspects of the SEC versus Ripple Labs case, including ruling that XRP was not a security by definition, but summary judgments for certain charges against the company. Garlinghouse and Larsen were not approved, advancing those charges to a full trial. Lawyers for the SEC can and Ripple have until August 23rd to submit blackout dates for the trial, which is expected to start between April 1st and June 30th, 2024. Oh my God, do you see how long they put in this? Do you see how long? The SEC initially filed its lawsuits against Ripple, Cullen House, and Lawson in December 2020. This led to the XRP token being delisted from many exchanges that serve U.S. customers, including Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini, and also Crypto.com. I will add that. The price of XRP fell in the wake of the announcement, dropping from 0.58 to session lows of 0.57 before recovering to trade at 0.57 at the time of written. Again, guys, you see where this is going. They will not get tired. They are going to prolong this until 2024. I think it's purposefully done to drag the whole trial, the whole thing. And it's sad to see that Gary Gensler is still, in the office, have a job, and manipulating the situation, keep it going, prolong it to the next level. It's just disgusting, ridiculous. Let me know how you feel about the whole thing. It's so unfair. And I hope the platform leave XRP there. Let it be. Do not unlist it. Leave it there and let it work on its own. We are going to win at the end of the day. You have to have that in your head. We are going to win. Subscribe. Bye.